Hello, welcome to College Success Tips for First Generation Students. Getting in, getting through, and getting to your next step. My name is Paz Olivares, and I'm really excited to be here with you today. I worked with college students for a number of years, both as an advisor, as a program coordinator, and now as an administrator, and I'm really excited to share with you a lot of the tips that I've learned in working with students for a number of years. So let's get started. So prior to talking about getting into college, it's really important that we talk a little bit about the preparation you need to be a competitive college applicant. The first thing is really making sure that you perform well academically. It's important to remember that grades really do matter. So you want to make sure that you're staying on top of your academics and that you're getting any types of academic support that you need to ensure that your grades stay strong. Get involved at your school and in your community. So it's really important that you're thinking about doing extracurricular types of activities. So colleges really love students who possess leadership skills and who have unique experiences and interests. So you want to really think about what you bring to the table that other students may not. And if you don't have those things quite yet, then start beginning to think about what types of opportunities you can get involved in, either at your school site or in your community, to really kind of build up some of those different experiences and leadership skills. And then finally, think about doing what you love. If you really like to play an instrument or you really enjoy a sport, join your school band, join a sports team, because these are the things that your colleges are going to be looking for. They really do want that well-rounded student. As cliche as that may sound, you do want to think about beyond just your academic performance, what you bring that other students may not.